Hi everyone, this is Maisha here. We're still continuing with the medium level. So first question is given x to the power of 6 over x to the power of a equals to x to the power of 8. Yeah? And the question says find the value of a. So we need to think of this as an equation. So x to the power of 6 over x to the power of a equals to x to the power of 8. So a normal number, for example, a normal equation, we just need to get rid of this x on the denominator and we just need to multiply it over here. We just need to multiply it, okay? So to get rid of it, we just need to cancel it out from one side and bring it to the next. And because it's dividing, what's the opposite of division? Multiplication, right? So x to the power of 6 equals to x to the power of 8 multiplied by x to the power of a. And due to the indices law, which is the first law, we know that x to the power of 8 multiplied by x to the power of a, it's going to be x to the power of 8 plus a. Yeah, 8 plus a. And this is still x to the power of 6. Now, because we have the same values here as an x, I can just get rid of it. So when you have the same value here, for example, instead of x, you have 2. So 2 to the power of 6 equals to 2 to the power of 8 plus 4. So it doesn't really matter. Instead of x, you can have any number. That's what I'm trying to say. So we can get rid of it. And we just have 6 equals to 8 plus a. So again, this is just a simple equation. How do I find my value of a? I just need to get rid of this 8 and bring it over to the next side. So it's going to be 6 take away by 8. Yeah, because 8 is positive here. So when we move to the next side, it's going to be negative. So 6 take away 8, that's minus 2. So our value of a is minus 2. Yeah, so this is the first part. Part B of this question is asking you to simplify 2m to the power of 2, 4. So we know that when we have a bracket, what it means is that I need to multiply this value out, multiply these two exponents together, yeah? However, be careful. Do I only have this letter? I also have a number at the front here, a number. So what's going to mean is that this number is also going to have an exponent, and the exponent for this number is 1 because there's no exponent here. We need to assume that it's a 1 because 2 to the power of 1, nothing changes. It's still 2. Okay? So that's why we need to assume that it's a 1. So 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4, and then m is to the power of 2 multiplied by 4. So that's going to be 2 to the power of 1 times by 4, that's 2 to the power of 4, and then m is going to be 2 times 4, that's 8. So 2 to the power of 4, that's equals to what? 16 m 8, and that's your final answer. Okay. Let's try to solve another question, a similar question, but this is for you to try at home, and then we're just gonna go through the answers together. So you just need to work out this time. You need to work out. So this is for you to try, work out the value of 2 to the power of 9 times by 2 to the power of minus 2 over 2 to the power of 4. So feel free to pause the video and try it by yourself. I'm just going to go through the solution now. So I know that this fraction sign, it simply means that it's being divided. Okay, so we're going to think about this later on. First, let's concentrate on the numerator. What do we have on the numerator, on the top part? So we have a multiplication sign, and we have some exponents. I know that according to the first rule, I need to add these values up together. So it's going to be 2 to the power of 9 plus minus 2. So with a plus, nothing changes really. So it's just going to be minus 2. So when you have a plus sign, the sign of minus 2 doesn't change. So it's going to be 9 minus 2. So that's going to be 2 to the power of 7 over. And then we have 2 to the power of 4. Still continuing with 2 to the power of 4. Now we know that this is a division sign. So 2 to the power of 7 divided by 2 to the power of 4 simply means we need to take the exponents away because of this division sign. So we just need to do 7 take away by 4, which is 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3, and that's our final answer. Well, someone can also write it as 8, which is still fine. Yeah? All right, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.